Hello guys, and welcome back to my Premiere Pro Masterclass. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this smooth reverse effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. The first thing I'm going to do is to come over to this video track layer and drag it up until I can see the video preview over here. Next, come over to the right section or the left section and you will see this FX button. Right click on it, scroll down to time remapping and select speed. And now you can see this line. This line signifies the speed of your clip. Move your player to the middle, hold down Ctrl and select anywhere in this line to activate the line divider over here. Now select the right portion of this line and drag it down to 1%. Now select the left portion of this line divider and drag it to the start of your clip and move the right portion to where you want the reverse clip effect to begin. Now we do not need these other parts, so come over here and select the razor tool and cut out the remaining parts. Select the right part and delete it. Now select this first portion over here, right click, select speed and duration and change the time interpolation to optical flow to make it run smoothly. Now select this portion over here, hold down Alt and drag it to the right to duplicate it. And select this copy and drag it closer to eliminate every space. Right click on the copy, select speed and duration and select reverse speed and hit OK. Now because of this red line over here, you need to hit enter on your keyboard to render this clip. And that's it guys on how to create this smooth reverse effect in Premiere Pro.